Okay, hi guys. Okay, so it has been a while. Okay, maybe 3 weeks that I've posted a video. I've been a little crazy, but okay, I'm gonna give you guys a good video. Okay, we're going to the Bahamas. Okay, finally, I'm able to pull a trip off. Okay, after the last two kind of like tanked, so we're going to the Bahamas. So you guys are gonna be packing with me. We're gonna be preparing. We're gonna be talking. We're gonna be doing a whole lot of stuff before we get to the Bahamas. I gotta go get my I'm putting eyelashes on, which is kind of not really me, but I am gonna try something new. I did it once. When was my birthday? It was okay. So I'm gonna try it again. I have to get my hair done. I'm thinking locks. I'm not quite sure yet. I have to go to Target to get some stuff, even though I went there like a day ago. But ladies, you know how it is. You don't remember until last minute. And then I need to go get a COVID test to go to the Bahamas. So I'll be talking all about that when we go there and stuff like that. So I'm probably going to do the COVID test tomorrow, because I was reading up on the excursions, and certain excursions you need a COVID test. So maybe I'll try to do it a little closer. And also I have to apply for a health visa, and I have to pack. I have so many things to do, and I'm working. So I don't know how we're about to pull this off, but we're going to pull this off, okay? Because we need a vacation, okay? My Neah squads need a vacation desperately, okay? So come, sit back, enjoy, and let's just do our thing. We are at Target. In the swimsuit section, I have a lot of swimsuits that I actually bought from Shein for the first time, so I was trying them out, but I need some cover-ups. I don't know. I like some cute little cover-up, just to wear, to go down to the pool or something like that. Target doesn't seem to have a lot, but let me see what they're working with. Okay, so I definitely needed this, so I am going to get boob tapes, because I am wearing a little romper and I'm definitely going to need this. A little nipple covers. Ladies, we definitely need this. So that's it for this. Okay, so I have just officially made it out of Target, which probably took about an hour and a half. It took way longer than I thought it would. I guess just went walking around the store, looking aimlessly. I mean, I know I had to get certain things, but I just wanted to check out to see what else they had, since I haven't really been shopping. Like, ever since COVID happened, I haven't like been shopping. Like, I'll order a few things offline if I have to go on vacation, but I haven't really been shopping. So I just got a little crazy today. So I spent like $168 on things that I guess I probably don't need. But let me show you guys some of the things that I got. for vacation. So I bought some pair of jeans. I don't know if that's gonna fit. We're gonna see. I did get the most important thing that I wanted to get, which was breast tape roll, which I need because I want to wear a romper, and it's braless, and you just want to give you a little extra lift. I don't even know if that works, to be quite honest with you. I've never worn it before, but people seem to say it works, so we'll see exactly how that is. I ended up buying a MAC lip color. Do I need it? No, I could have done without this, so we'll see. I got another pair of jeans. I got a toothbrush, a travel toothbrush to go, and I got these little nipple covers. I've never worn these, but I think sometimes I think I need it. So that's it for that. So we're finished with Target. And as a little treat, I got me a little chai tea latte. I got the cold one, so this is to like start the day, So I had work, I came to Target, so now my mom needs me to pick up some stuff for her, so I'm about to go do that right now, and then I'm gonna prepare for my appointment. So by the time I get home, change, I'll be able to go get my nails done. I feel kind of bad because it's like my nails they're pretty. I mean, I think they're pretty good. It's a good set. It's just because I know next week it's not gonna be this good, and I need to be gone. I'm going to be leaving on Wednesday. So if I leave on Wednesday, there's no time. And my nail lady didn't have any appointments that late. So it's either get it done now or not at all. And I'm not about to do that. If you know me, I am very big when it comes to my nails. This is like my personal care, little thing that I do. This is the only time I get to go and get some me time. I get my nails done, and I am a happy camper. So we are about to just go pick some stuff up for my mom, head to the nail place, and I think I'm going to try to clean up my room and put some stuff together. So tomorrow we'll pick up back, and then we'll probably go, and I'm going to definitely go get my COVID test done tomorrow. And I do have to work tomorrow morning, so I don't know how we're going to do all that, but I think I might go to work tomorrow morning and then shoot over to get the test done. I think that's what I'll do. So I will see you guys at my nail appointment. Okay, so now I am heading to get my COVID test done at Rapid MD. I kind of got a late start this morning because I actually went to work a little late, so it's like after 12 and I'm headed here right now. Hopefully it's not extremely crowded.
What's your name?
Neah.
Neah, right?
Yes.
Okay. You do the rapid one, right?
Yes, Rapid.
So after the test, you give me 10, 15 minutes, we'll give you the result, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, have a sit outside, 10 minutes.
That was torture. So it has been a crazy day. I just got my lashes done. Okay, my hair is looking crazy. So actually I'm about to go get that done because I did my COVID test before I came to get my eyelashes done, and that's good. So I have to head to the beauty supply store right now. Get this here. I still don't know what I'm doing yet. it's either I might do the butterfly locks or I just might do regular locks in a different color this time. Last time I had black and it was way long. So I'm definitely going to be doing something different, maybe a different color. I don't know. We'll see when I get there. And I think I have to I just remembered I have to apply for that health visa, which I have not done yet. So seeing that I did my COVID test today, I have to just enter that into the site to get the approval. Hopefully that comes within 2 days. I'll let you guys know. I'll have to make a video with everything you need to know to go to the Bahamas, because I just want to make sure if anybody's traveling there after I do, that you have a wonderful time. So all these little hiccups and stuff you can just bypass. So that's what I have planned for today. I did my nails yesterday, if you guys can see it. So that's done and out of the way. So I just have to get, I think I have to get waxed tomorrow. And then I have to start packing. So what I'll do to make this video a little bit more fun, I have maybe like 10 bathing suits or a few of them. Well, I'll just have you guys choose what bathing suit I should wear on vacation. That might be fun. I might do something like that. Hopefully, if I get this video up by tomorrow, then you guys would have at least a day to tell me, because bathing suits it's not that hard to pack. I mean, I could always take out and put in, depending on what my subscribers recommend. That might be very nice to do. So that's pretty much about it for the day. I'm just going to go get my hair done today. So at least I'll be looking like people. I don't know what's going on with my head right now. So I went to work this morning and I just, was able to knock all of those other stuff out. And now I am just going to have to do my nails. So I will maybe see you guys when I'm packing, maybe, and showing you guys what bathing suit I have. Maybe I don't know where the video will pick up from next, but I will see you guys. Okay, so these are all of the bathing suits I have here, but I think I am only going to take 4 with me, because there's no need to be overpacking here. I have this. It's like a little one piece. I have this with the little bathing suit bottom. This is another 2-piece. And what I don't wear on this vacation will probably go with me on the next vacation, which should be very soon. I have this lime green. I am going to say I am loving this lime green though. I think it will definitely complement my skin tone. So, I mean, I'm looking at this, but let me know what you guys think. I have this. She's pretty good. And I would say at least 99% of the bathing suits I have on the bed, I did buy them from Shein. I haven't really ordered from them. This is the first time I'm actually wearing their bathing suits. So, and this is another one piece. So that's all the bathing suits that I have there to think about. So if you guys like any bathing suits, you can just comment below. You never know, I might end up wearing your top pick. You never know. And here I have, this is the suitcase that I have. I have everything like just falling out of it. I just took all the clothes that I was wearing and just like literally just threw everything in here. And now I'm about to like literally start packing, getting everything together, because my trip is literally in probably less than 24 hours. So this is what I'm doing tonight. I guess I'm not sleeping at all, but I like to pack my bags the day before, because it gives me a chance to see what I have and what I don't have. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. So I just finished packing this part just stuffing. In the first part, I don't really have any techniques, but I just put the stuff in. If I was really crunched for space, I would like roll them into little balls. You know what? One thing I do like to do, sometimes I would take rubber bands and I would fold them really tiny and put the rubber bands over it, and this way it was just easier just going with a hand luggage, especially if you have like a layover and you don't want to do all of that. So yeah, so that's it for that part. Now this here, I mean, I have a purse in here, so I don't know how this is actually going to work for me per se. So I'm thinking just take it out. Maybe I was trying to keep it in a box so it would just, it wouldn't, when they're throwing the suitcase all over, because they have a tendency of doing that in the airport, that it wouldn't break anything, because then I would be really upset. Spend my money for something that's broken. So anyway, so I have to figure out what I'm doing with that part. But I have not too much, but I have a few other things to put in, mostly like my makeup bag. I'm not sure if I'm going to be wearing makeup. It's probably going to be hot anyway. But that's what I have so far. So I have a lot of two pieces. I like sets because this way I don't have to be stuck looking for a top or a bottom. So that part is finished and done with. And I don't have to worry about it, because if I can manage to put everything in this suitcase, it would actually be good, because they allow 50 pounds. And with this little suitcase, I don't care how much you pack it, I don't really think there'll be 50 pounds. So I'm getting to the fun part of things. So let's see if this part holds.
Hey, Roshan! Iris, right?